Hey guys, I'm here at Peppermill Casino in Reno. This lightning link behind me has a grant of $34,000. So we're gonna put $300 in and see if we can hit it. Fingers crossed, thumbs up. Let's go. All right, heartthrobby. Do it right here, right here. Oh, I thought I had it first spin. Come on, come on.
50 cents.
Yeah.
That's what's going to hit me. 50 cent bet. It's going to hit that.
Just might. Come on, 2 more. Dang. Oh, those were nice ones, man. Come on. Finally. Oh, a nice $60 ball up there. All right, fill this up for $34,000. Oh. Oh, don't punish me because you gave me a big one. That's a wrap.
Let's go for it. Gonna hit something. Thought I did something wrong with you.
All right, light it on down.
Oh, thank you, man.
Why the lights on these games look so dark?
We used to play this thing at such a high level. Remember? We win $1,000 one time in this thing. Remember? We got to chase that maxed out danger and just play this property.
Yep, it was at this property, you're right. It's a camera, go. Come on, moons.
Oh, I hate this stupid This game's so stupid. Fucking multiplier. You like these multipliers.
I love the ones with the multipliers. Jamie said he does. Oh, do that. Aw, man, those were nice numbers. Oh, yes, $250. Plus another 100. Plus another, that's $455 to start. Holy moly. I did not think I was getting it after I saw those. Yeah, buddy. Let's get a pair for that. Where's its little twinsy? Nice.
It's so goofy.
Come on. Anything, anything, anything. Yes. Come on, Big Daddy. Ooh, 2 more, y'all. 2 more. Come on, anything, anything, save it, right there. Oh, that's amazing.
That cork, baby.
Pop the cork. Love the champagne. That's okay. Nice, 525. That's amazing. Woo! Alright, baby, I thought I was gonna get a set of 34 grand.
Yeah.
Wow. Yes. Oh, I thought we had the moons, y'all. $4 because that present's one of the big dollar ones. All right, let's try 5 cents. I'm gonna go from bottom to the top here. Jamie, remember when you did 5 cents and you couldn't tell? You didn't know how to map it?
Yeah, I know. My brain doesn't compute.
So early in the days of the channel, oh, I skipped one. Early in the channel days, Jamie and I each used to film slots, mostly together, but sometimes separately. And that was when we used to film at Wynn Casino in Las Vegas. And Jamie did a video on Lightning Link. He was on 5 cents denomination, and he had no clue what he was betting.
I was trying to figure out the multiple.
He couldn't figure it out. It was hilarious. Oh. Come on. Oh, so much happening there. Oh, I hear the buttons slamming right over there behind us. Come on, moons. Back to 10 cents. Let's do another one of those bigots. Oh, there's another $2.50. Dang it. That was another $250 one. What if we'd have got that? That would have been crazy sauce. Aw, you blocked me up from my diamonds. Ooh, Jamie, nice. Jamie just got a full screen. Not of money. That would have been amazing. Full screen of what?
Got some more money back. 17. I'm going to add 2 zeros to it.
Yeah, there you go.
That was a $1,700 jacket. On a 50 cents, $50 bet.
Come on. Oh, damn it.
I just want these freaking fireballs one time.
See, and I just want the moons one time.
Well, you've had so many of these videos on your channel at one time.
I know. Oh, Jamie, you know what I'm realizing? The guy came to talk to us when I was going to do my outro for my video in there, and I didn't do it. I need to go back and do it.
Alright, I gave it $10.
Oh, nice. $22. Come on, moons. I'm gonna try that one next. Oh, moon. Oh, man. Oh, there's my moon. Moon. think this was going to be a one and done, so I don't want to give it all my moolah back. Alright, we're going to go 120. Oh, that's not a 125. 125. Oh, do it. Too much. Oh.
All right, so that's a nice double up. 300 in, 600 out. That was an amazing bonus. We didn't hit the $34,000, but maybe on the next machine, because I'm going to move over one, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.